Hey, beautiful people, we got a good one. It is FabFitFun. Let's crack it open. I am an annual member, so I pay about $54 and change quarterly, seasonally, winter, summer, spring, and fall. Okay, so if you want to see what I got in my FabFitFun, stay tuned. So this literally just arrived, and I had enough time to hurry up and film and get it out to you guys so you could see what I got. All right, so comes in this big old box. Let's take out all the fluff. Ooh. Okay, so let's check out the box. There's some stuff rattling around. Nice. Look at the sunset. She's just chilling there. FabFitFun. So they got fabulous stuff, fitness stuff, fun stuff. I will say that I wasn't super impressed. I did get a mystery box, so I'll film that separately, and you guys can stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I got add-ons because I don't remember. Let me see. And let's crack it open. Ooh, so this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Got a magazine. This looks thick. All right. Little sneak peek. Has leaves, so it is the fall box. Literati. Okay. Daily Harvest. And Wine Cellars are our sponsors. So those are coupons. So fall, travel, packing hacks, find that fall feeling, culinary schools, the joy of discovery. And it says fall 2022. Now, last time I checked, there were no prices. So let's see. A lot of good information though. So ultimate sleep routine. If you are having trouble getting into a sleep pattern, fall feeling, look at that. So there's some stuff. Blush has been like the thing lately. Follow your North Star. Oh, we got some horoscopes, so that'll be cool. Culinary school, fall favorites. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Oh, look at that. 20 journal prompts for self-discovery. Awesome. I feel like I should post this, or at least go through that. Let me know in the comments if you like that idea. Anyway, let's see what we got. Ooh, now I remember. Look at this. This is VO Personal Air Purifier. Removes up to 99% of airborne particles. This looks kind of small, but it has a HEPA MERV 13, which is great air quality filter, whisper quiet, and portable. So you just plug it in, press the power button, and you're all set. Yes, this was a great option because I have a huge one. So this is just a mini one. So it could be at your desk, like if you work at an office space. That's an awesome idea. Maybe like take it with you if you're traveling at a hotel. Put it by your bedside. This is an awesome thing. So if you've already have one of these or think that this is a great gift idea, I'm telling you, I would love it. Okay, so what is this? Glossier. Ooh, I haven't tried a lot of their stuff. Ooh, it's the birthdaybalm.com. Universal Skin Salve. So swipe onto lips. A loving layer of moisture. Let's crack it open. You know I love a good lip product. Awesome packaging. Look at that. Ooh, with the birthday fetty. Okay, so this is 15 ml. Looks like this. There you go. Oh, and it smells like birthday cake. Oh, yeah. Mmm. My shining. Shining, shining, shining. Okay, birthdaybalm.com. Get it? Love it. All right, next, Lumify. I feel like this was some deal together with like Spongel, maybe. Yeah, I think these two were an option. So these are the Lumify drops. They work in a minute. Let me see what it's used for. For reduce redness. So let me just see. I thought Lumify was something else, but that's what it's looking like. Well, that'll come in handy. That's good for like allergies, you know, when your eyes are just dry and irritated. Okay, so that's good. We got a Spongel Eucalyptus Rain. I'm loving this black and pink and poppy looking flower. I love to have these. Ooh, yeah, especially when you're traveling. This one doesn't come with a little ring, but yes, for traveling, for sure. Ooh, so far some good stuff. Daily Concepts. This is a Daily Haman Mint. So this is like a body glove type thing. An ancient bathing ritual. Oh, ideal for intimate areas like the groin. See? I'm not making it up. And then whole body, great for self-tanning and preparation. Vegan. So that's what that's looking like. I'm not gonna pop this open yet, not sure. Okay, vegetable chopper. I saw this and I was like, oh, that'd be cool. I mean, I have a NutriBullet, I have a blender, but you know, could be a great gift too. So let me see. It is a good size chopper, I would say. So looks like that with the lid and the blade. Looks easy to clean. So if you have a lot of onions that you need to chop and you don't have a blender, this would also be a nice gift too. I really like how FabFitFun does their stuff. Like, you have so many options to choose for, and great gifting ideas as well. So Christmas is coming up. Stock up and save. Okay, and then let's see, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's a jewelry option. This says Carmela hoop earrings. Yeah, this was a choice by itself. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but here they are. Some classic looking hoops. Doesn't say, yeah, it's gold plated, so it's not real gold, but still nice. And then last here, oh yeah. Now I remember, right? Is Food 52. These are measuring cups, which in my house, you can never have too many. Missing one or whatever, but this is what they look like. So you got the cups and you have the teaspoon, tablespoon. So love that. All right, so let's recap here. I'm not sure if this was part of my thing because it was outside of the box. So I probably bought this extra, so don't worry about that. I got a vegetable chopper. Nice. My personal favorite item. So you guys have to let me know down below which was your favorite item. This personal air purifier. That's awesome. Spongel Eucalyptus Rain. Oh, the bomb.com. I'm loving it. Put that right over there. And then we got some body exfoliating. And then we got the earrings. We got the measuring cups. We got the Lumify. So all together, this is a combo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it down here below. And if you're interested in joining FabFitFun or you know, gifting it, my referral link will be down in the comment section. I do get, I think it's like 10 bucks back, so thank you if you do that. I think this is a great box. Just for the variety. I really do like it. It's a lifestyle box. It's not a makeup box. It's not a skincare box. It's a variety. FabFitFun box. All right, and then stay tuned for the mystery box, which will be coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe.